So this is the hibiscus I'm going to use. It's called lazy hibiscus. It's got a red flower, which is kind of nice in salads. They don't open up, that's why it's called lazy hibiscus. You can see the pencil thickness branches I'm going to take. I've got some other hedges of it, so I'll go and cut them. Okay, so we've got a bunch of privet bundled up, and hibiscus I've got separately. So yep, just add some boiling water, enough that it's not going to evaporate. I might have to boil another ½ litre of water. Get that on the stove. Whack a lid on it. And I want to steam it till the outer skin comes off easy. It's about 15-20 minutes. So this is the hibiscus, and it's been steamed. You just want to pull this outer barky layer off. Make paper out of the bark too, string. So these are almost cool enough. Next step, I've got the cardboard spawn. It's a wild oyster. There's plenty of videos on the web on how to make it. And I'll take the hibiscus dowels and add them into this bag. And at about 1 month, it'll be colonized. You can still see the roll of cardboard I used as the starter, and that's the hibiscus dowels fully colonized.